Hello neighbor family, Jim here. We have a tool kit here that has a bag in it. I'll show you the tools here. It's 86 tool set for a 13-inch tool bag. That's all the goodies you get. Thinking about, if anybody wants to buy this, let me know, or might give it as a giveaway when I hit 1K. And right now, we're bouncing up and down like a yo-yo. So, just got little tools there that you use a screwdriver, magnet thing on it. It's got all kinds of stuff there. Got your sockets. It's a nice set. It's got SAE and metrics, I think. Yeah, it's SAE right there. It should be metrics down there. Looks like it. Nice little set. Use this here on these over here and over there. I have something similar like this in my trailer. Pretty much got the same things, but I don't really need this. So like I said, if anybody might want to buy it, let me know. If not, we'll put it up for a giveaway when I hit 1K. So we'll just give you a preview of what's in here. Okie dokie. We'll flip it over. And this is the bag you get. It's a nice bag. And it's got little pouches in here. It says Ultra Steel. 13-inch tool bag. Shows you how you fill it up. I would think that'd be a pretty good kit for anybody. Long guy, tool guy, racing guy, whatever, motorcycle guy, anybody. It'd be a heck of a nice kit for it. I don't know how. I guess there's something inside there. Must be from the factory. This gives you, we'll start over here. This will give you an idea of what's inside this thing. Got a 20 quarter-inch set, SAE, metrics, all kinds of stuff in here. It's a nice, really nice set. Really nice. So, please leave a comment down below. Please like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you get videos like this. Have a great one. And we'll see you later. See you in cyberspace. Thank you. Bye-bye. What do you think, Peanut? Huh? What do you think, Peanut? Peanut. You got paper towel on the floor. Shame on you. Peanut, what do you think? Pete, what do you think, bud? And the close-up of the haircut.